PPP loan, approved, rejected. I'm going to give you guys the latest information as far as how to get approved. What is the PPP loan? What's everybody talking about? So let's get right to this. This is an official statement from Chime. So Chime has responded. Is Chime accepting those loans? What are they doing? So let's get right to this. I'm not here to waste no time. But before we begin, I do want to let you guys know I am still doing this giveaway. Now, this giveaway I will be doing every single month. It's a new month, so I will be doing every single month. If you guys want to be entered, all you guys got to do is make sure you are like and subscribe, and then go to the playlist on my channel that says giveaway. Very, very simple, very, very easy to be entered. It's just my way of giving back to the people that actually subscribe to my channel. Now, if you guys got questions regarding this PPP loan at any time, feel free to drop those comments and concerns below. Chime Bank watches my content, so if you guys got questions, drop it below. They will respond. Very simple. Got it? Great, good. Let's get right to this. This is strictly from Chime. This is your complete guide to PPP loans. And a lot of people are asking, well, what is the PPP loan? Before we get into that, I do want to let you guys know this is the latest information as of late April 28th. So April 28th, just updated. April 28th. Now, the Paycheck Protection Program, the PPP, is designed to help small businesses keep workers on the job. It's important to know whose action program. The Paycheck Protection Program is a loan program that is backed by the SBA, Small Business Administration. This loan program has one purpose: helping small business owners keep their workers on the job during the coronavirus pandemic. Now, currently, loan funding is available through May 31st, 2021. There are two types of loans you can get. Now, we're going to be talking about those two types of loans, and we're going to be talking about the first draw on this video. If you guys like this content, I have a lot more on my channel. You'll see a playlist that says Chime PPP. Very, very easy, and I will keep you guys updated with the latest information regarding that. Now, the first draw PPP loans we're going to be talking about, but just to verify and confirm this, loan funding is available through May 31st, 2021. So you guys have 31 days as of right now to figure out if you guys want to keep the loan, do the loan, what you guys want to do, right? But as of right now, Chime is accepting. It's showing it right here. Chime is accepting those loans, but there's different qualifications. That's what a lot of people don't understand is when you're getting these loans, just because Joe Small over here got approved doesn't mean you're going to get approved. It's a lot of things that plays a factor. It's qualifications, just like anything else, So just because you didn't get approved doesn't mean Chime is not accepting those loans, So you can't say, oh, they're not accepting them because I didn't get approved, So there's a lot of things that plays in that factor. I try to help a lot of people, and I'm coming to realize either one, your information is incorrect, You can look at these documents. If your address is not linked up with the same address you applied with or is on a file, you're most likely not going to go through, right? If you just created this so-called business last month, it's not going to go through, right? So we got to understand what's going through, how to get it through, and how to get approved and stuff like that. So let's get into this. The first draw PPP loan. Now, if you've never received a loan through the Paycheck Protection Program, you could be eligible for a first draw PPP loan. The SBA allows you to use this money to fund payroll costs, pay mortgage interest, pay rent, cover utilities, pay worker protection costs related to COVID-19, cover uninsured property damage resulting from looting or vandalism that occurred in 2020, and also to pay certain supplier costs and operational expenses. Trying to help you guys. I've been trying to help a lot of people. Chime has been trying to help a lot of people. Even people in my community that's been watching and commenting has been trying to help people. Now, I know a lot of people have been questioning, are they accepting them? Are they not? And stating to Chime, according to Chime, as of right now, they are accepting those loans. So we don't want to hear that anymore. Chime's not accepting. No, and maybe it's an error on your behalf. It was something that you have done wrong. You just have to figure out what you've done wrong. Now let's go over some of the key details on how this loan works. But you got to keep that in mind when you're doing this. Now, loan payments will be deferred for borrowers who apply for loan forgiveness until SBA remits the borrower's loan forgiveness amount to the lender. If you don't apply for loan forgiveness, payments are deferred 10 months after the end of the covered period for the borrower's loan forgiveness, between 8 and 24 weeks. Now, you don't need collateral or personal guarantee to apply, and also there are no fees with this PPP loan. Now, Chime, it seems like they strive on providing no fees, to their customers. I know a lot of people love Chime just based on that fact, whether it's fees with your account, spending account, Chime bidder account. It seems like they want to be feeless. They want to be feeless. Now, in terms of how much you can borrow from a first draw PPP loan, the amount depends on the number of employees you have and the size of your payroll, but the maximum loan is up to $10 million. So let's reiterate on this. Now, when it comes to the loan, because everybody is different, a lot of people get approved, a lot of people get denied, but you guys got to remember what this loan is for. Now, they're stating that this loan, all loans offered through the program, are for less than $150,000. I talked about this before, guys. If you guys got questions, drop them below. This is the perfect time to basically correct all of your wrongs. I know a lot of people have been waiting 2 weeks, 3 weeks for this loan just to get it back and say it's been rejected. Now you got to figure out why it was rejected. And for the most part, you should be getting in contact with these people, whoever you go through with, right? I'm not going to, I don't know where you guys went or where you guys applied through, but I do know all of this information should be the same. Everything should be linked up. If you guys got questions and concerns, also feel free to drop them below. I will tell you guys, I will be doing another part of this video and we'll be talking about a second draw. This is going to be the first draw. Then we're going to talk about the second draw. If you guys want more content, you can go to my channel. You'll see a playlist that says Chime PPP. All of that information is there. That's going to be the latest and the greatest information. A lot of people have questioned, yo, Q, how do I do this? How do I do that? I'm going to put all this information out for you guys. All you guys got to do is watch and apply that information. If you guys got questions, feel free to drop them below. As I mentioned, don't forget to subscribe and like. If your address is 123 Carr Street and you have 143 Carr Street, most likely it's going to get denied. You guys got to understand too, there's a lot of systems that plays in effect, right? So if your address is not linked up, if it's different, you may get automatically get rejected. Now, a lot of people like to blame Chime, but you guys got to know it's a service here. It's a computer-based service that's verifying the stuff. Obviously, and at times there may be humans verifying it, but for the most part, for these loans, they're typing it in a computer. So, like I said, if your address is 123 and you have on your 123 on your ID, you should have 123 as well on your loan application. On any documents that you put in, it should be the same. Now, I know this is kind of like, well, duh, but you guys really don't understand the amount of people who have not done this. Who hasn't made sure that their information is linked up. Now, I will be doing a part 2. So make sure you guys like and subscribe. I will be knocking this out every single day. Also, if you are late in seeing this, feel free to go to that playlist on my channel and you guys will be easily linked up to this information. Like I always say, stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Continue to be blessed. Continue to spread some positivity today. Also, if you are late in seeing this, feel free to go to that playlist on my channel and you guys will be easily linked up to this information. Like I always say,